Hello everyone, how are you? I hope you're all doing well. Today we are going to learn about introduction to JavaScript. Let's get started. Topics. What is JavaScript? Why JavaScript? Including JavaScript in HTML, Hello World example script, and the last one is JavaScript comments. Okay, for the first one, what is JavaScript? I will give info to you about the JavaScript created by Netscape, originally called Livewire then LiveScript, a client-side scripting language. Client-side refers to the fact that it is executed in the client software that the viewer is using. In the case of JavaScript, the client is the browser. A server-side language is one that runs on the web server, example PHP, Python, and etc. Interpreted on the fly by the client. Each line is processed as it loads in the browser. If you want to make it JavaScript, and it is possible to run on your web. If you want to create application for website, it's very good if using JavaScript programming language. JavaScript is not Java. JavaScript is different with Java, a completely different types of languages that just happen to be similarly named. JavaScript programs are interpreted in the browser, and for Java, programs are compiled and can be run as standalone application. It is different between JavaScript and Java. JavaScript is for browser, whereas Java is for application mobile, and Java can be run as standalone. Why you have to choose JavaScript? Number one, it is easy. It is easier to learn than most programming languages. Number two, it allows you to make interactive web pages. And the last one, it can be fun. If you want to create code on your browser, better you use this programming language. It is JavaScript. Including JavaScript in HTML. Two ways to add JavaScript to web pages. Number one, you can use the script tag like this. You can write your code with this script for the beginner, and the end you add this slash script. tag, including the script in an external file. More about this later. I will give you info about you. Initially, we will only use the script for the beginner at the beginner, and the last one you also add script slash tag. Hello world. Typically, in any programming language, the first example you learn display is hello world. We are going to make a look at hello world example and then examine all of its parts. For the first time, if you want to create programming in any languages, you will write hello world. Hello world in JavaScript. You can see on this board how to write code on JavaScript. Doc type HTML, and for the first step you write HTML at the first, and the last one you also write HTML and then you add with slash, and for header head it is same for the beginner position and the last position like this, and body, and then you write your code script like this. If you want to write hello world, you have to write like this code. Document dot write, and then parentheses for the first and the last. Also you give it and semicolon like this, and it means it's one heading one. Maybe you can change with heading 2, 3 or 4. It is up to you. Hello world screenshot. After you create code on your JavaScript, and then you can see the result of your code like this. Hello world. You can run your code on your browser. For example, in here on Mozilla Firefox. The script tag. The code for script is contained in the script tag. If you want to create anything command, you write inside of script tag, and for the first line and then for the last one you put with slash. Hiding JavaScript from older browser. If you want to run your code on older browser, some older browser do not support with JavaScript. So we need to tell those browsers to ignore what is in the script tag. I hope you understand about the script tag. And if your browser doesn't support with JavaScript, so you have to tell this that to those browser to ignore script tag. Displaying text. The document.write parenthesis method writes a string of text to the browser. Okay, you have to use this method document.write parenthesis and you put your content inside of parentheses like this. For example, hello world. Using one, it means depend on your type your paragraph. Hitting 1, 2, 3, it is up to you. And for the beginner, at the beginning, you write with this method document.write. This is a method. Document.write parenthesis. Document.write, it is a method, and for the last code you have to put with semicolon, ends in a semicolon, and enclose in quotes at the first and the last quotes in here, and you write with string type hello world. If you want to give comments in JavaScript, two types of comments, single line or multiple line. If you give comment just single line, you can give like this slash double. And for if you want to give many comment, you can use this code slash asterisk slash slash asterisk, and in here your comment, and the last you also give asterisk slash. But for single line you just give double slash at the beginner and then your comment. Single line comment example, double slash, and in here is your comment. And for the multiple line comment, for example like this, at the first time or at the beginner, and you close with asterisk slash, and in here you have many comments. Find the bug. Script type like this. Its name is comment, and this is the method document write, and in here a string like this. If you get bugs, you can give comment on here. I hope you understand about what I am explaining to you about the JavaScript introduction. If you have any comment, you can write your comment on below this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video. Thank you so much, and goodbye.